Hey guys, welcome to this channel today. So today, because school's gonna be open next week, Friday, not Friday, Thursday, I think. Yeah. So I'm just putting etiquette on the name of my like my son's name on all of his stuff, and this is his book bag. So I'm gonna label everything. I have already done that because all the everything is labeled, so as you can see. So now what I'm gonna do, I need to pack all this in this book. Okay, so these people has a lot of stuff. I don't know what they're gonna do with all of this, but this is too much because my son is going on 2nd grade, so he has a lot of things going on. So let's see. And by the way, I bought this book bag on Amazon, which I found is cute, and my son loves it as well. It's very cute. So, and he has a lot of pockets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is cool for him. Yeah, it's pretty big. So I'm going to put this one in here. Okay. And then I don't know if I should open this one or just leave it like this. I'm gonna ask my friend because I don't know, I forget if I have to leave it like that or what, but I guess maybe just have to leave it like that. I don't know what they're gonna do with all these folders. Look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like a 2nd grade with all of this label. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Really? Just too much. Anyway, so, and there's another one, so it's 10. It's not even 9 because I put this one here. I don't know if you can see. So I put this one first, and the one that I have here is 9. So it's too much. I don't know what they're gonna do with this, but anyway. So I'm gonna put this one, this book bag, and they also need headphones because I guess they're gonna be listening to some things on the computer, like doing exercise. So, and this one is labeled as well. It has his name on it. So I have this one here. Okay, and I also have his lunch bag, which is labeled as well because you know you have to label everything. So yeah, this one, I guess I'm gonna put this one here. Guys, isn't this too much already? Because the bag, it's heavy. Like, anyway, I'm gonna put this one. I guess this one they're just gonna leave some in class, and then, or I guess maybe they're just gonna leave it in class. I don't know, but they asked me to buy it, and I got all the things that I'm supposed to get. Okay, so that way nobody will blame my son. Oh, your mama didn't get that, didn't get this one. So I'm getting everything, and everything is ready. So, and then this one will not fit here. I guess I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna take it with this one. because this one too has, Mr. has blades again. Put that one here, and then, oh my god, like, I just feel the bag is heavy. You see the bag? The PlayStation bag. Which I found is cute, the bag. But yeah, so pretty much we are done packing it, and I think and on the side we can put his water bottle on here. I think he's just gonna hold his lunch bag and the book bag, which I found this book bag is pretty cool because look, you can also close in the back, like this shrimp right here, you can open and you can close it, which I think is pretty cool. So yeah, I think I like the book bag, and it's unique, it's like, so you know, my son will have a little bit of style first day of school. Yeah, so thank you if you have following me this far within this video to label all my son's bag. Thank you for being here with me, and I would really appreciate it if you press the subscribe button and follow me for more video of this. Get ready with me, get ready with me with my son's school supply, son's school supply. So yeah, so thank you, bye guys.